Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to accept payments in Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to go to your selling and then you will go to your listing. So basically here you will find all the listing, and if you go back we will find the inbox, and here you will find the selling messages, and then all you need to do is to go for any selling that you have just set or all your clients here, and basically then you will need to create meetup plan so you can deliver your product to them. After that you can see the view or the meeting plan, and you can pick any payment method or delivery method, and then you will accept the payment personally or you will have a cash on delivery. Then you will need to go to more option, and then you will mark this you will find here mark this products or this order as paid, and that's why you will have your payments that has been accepted successfully. So basically this is how you can do it on marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.